Good day, viewers, and welcome to today's class. In this class, we have a 3x3 matrix, and we are requested to find the determinant of the matrix. So since this is an objective question, the easiest way and the best method to use in solving this problem is the use of the Sarrus rule or the diagonal method. Okay, so the Sarrus rule entails that we write the elements of this matrix. That is, we have 3, 1, 2, then we have 2, 4, minus 1, and then we have minus 1, 1, and 3. Now these are the elements of the matrix A. So we are going to repeat these, the element in these first two columns. That is, we have let's say 3, 1, 2 again, then 2, 4, and minus 1. So now we are going to multiply across the main diagonal. We start with this, and this is going to be positive. We multiply this also. We're going to multiply this. We'll add also. Then we multiply this, and we also add. So 3 times 4 times 3 is going to give us 12 times 3, that is 36. So it's equal to 36 plus 2 times 1, 2 times 2, that is 4. Then negative 1 times 1 times negative 1 will give us positive 1. So the next thing now is to multiply across the other diagonal, the opposite diagonal. So we have this is going to be negative. We also multiply this, which will be negative, and we multiply this, which is also going to be negative. So now we have 3 times 1 times 2, that is 6. So we're going to subtract the 6. Now 3 times 1 is 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3. And then we have negative here, so that is minus 3. Okay. Then we have negative 1 times 4, that's negative 4 times 2, that is negative 8. And we have negative sign here, so that is minus 8. So this now is going to give us 36 plus 4, that's 40, plus 1, that is 41. Now 41 minus 6. Now this negative becomes positive, so we have plus 3. Negative again, it becomes positive, we have plus 8. So now we have 41 minus 6, that is 35, plus 3 will give us 38, and then 38 plus 8 will give us 46. And this is the answer to this question. So you can see this method is more easier than the use of the cofactor and the minor approach. Another way we can do this diagonal is to rewrite it in this way. We have 3, 1, 2. We have 2, 4, minus 1. And we have minus 1, 1, and 3. So instead of repeating the first two columns, you can decide to repeat the first two rows. That is, we repeat the first two rows. So that's going to be 3, 2, minus 1, then 1, 4, and 1. So once this is done, you can now multiply this way. This will be positive. This will still be positive. And then this also will be positive. Then you now multiply across this line. This will be negative. You multiply this way, which is negative also, and multiply this way, which is also going to be negative. So whichever of these two approaches you use, you're going to have the same answer. So that's all we have for you today. Do like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then share to your colleagues. See you in the next class. Thank you.